Hi guys! Today I will teach you on I will give you a step on how to be productive in your summer vacation. So, this is my certificates. Ta-da! Before that, I will show to you, flex to you this one. Ano to? Oh guys, maganda na 'to guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng close. Bumili lang ako ng 2 yards. Tapos pinagdikit ko siya using, glue gun. So yun, nadikit naman siya and I'm so happy kasi hindi na siya pangit tignan yung ibabaw ng bed ko. Makakapag-vlog na ako dito. I hope you guys are ready. All you have to do is to search this application. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. Okay. Wait. Okay, so ilalagay ko dito. So this application is Corsa. Corsa, and then i-click nyo yan. Of course, ma-download nyo to siya sa Play Store. Google Play Store. Pero pwede naman siya sa Apple Store if you have an iPhone. So, pag ma-open nyo na siya guys, ito yung malalabas niya. Parang naglo-loading siya. And then, may mga ads siya guys. Kasi syempre, this application is free. So, pwede nyo siyang i-click lang yung ano, tingnan nyo lang yung ano niya, ads. And then, pagkadating nyo dito guys, you will see a lot of different types of topics you want to study, like French, web development, digital marketing, electrician, entrepreneurship, first aid, human resources, nutrition, English. Dito naman sa ibabaw, IT, languages, business ed, professional courses, health. So, sa professional courses, guys, dyan yung na-study ko na early childhood na ano, parang ano siya, certificate, short courses lang siya guys. So dito, pag-click nyo yung professional courses, dito lahat nakalista. Yung mga construction, mga welding, woodworking, farming, other professionals, craft, journalism, mobile phone repair. So, dyan. So, guys, let's continue. Yun nga, open the application, Corsa, and then login lang kayo dyan. And then after that, pili lang kayo ng mga courses nyo. So sa akin guys, may certificates na ako dito sa iba. Dito guys, makikita nyo dito yung certificates nyo. Diyan nyo niya i-click or kukuhanin yung certificates nyo after having that course na natapos nyo yung lahat ng mga activities. I-continue lang nyo lang yan and then may ads yan. I-click nyo lang yan. So, yun, makukuha nyo yan, isend nila yung certificates nyo sa email nyo at saka masasave automatic sa gallery nyo. So, I have this, ito yung ano ko. So, ito yung mga courses ko na ano siya. So far guys, sinearch ko naman if this is legit. So maybe yes or maybe no. As for me, if it is not legit or hindi siya tinatanggap sa mga ano, at least I have knowledge. Kasi guys, super legit talaga yung mga nalalaman nyo sa mga video courses, ang mga activities, super ang ganda guys. Ang dami kong na-learn, kaya yung first course ko guys, sinulat ko talaga lahat ng mga important words. So, I will show to you guys. This is my notebook. So, sinulat ko dito lahat ng mga nalalaman ko. Ano ba yun? May nag-wild sa amin. So, yung first course ko is, yun, this one. Ito. O, ito. Yan. Yan. Okay, so yung Yung first certificate ko all about early childhood education, introduction lang siya. Pero at least, di ba, may knowledge ka na or nagpapa-refresh sa brain cells natin. So, ang nalaman ko dito, about if the child is crying, it's not a noise daw, but a communication. So, it should be addressed. O, di ba? May na-learn, no? I have learned a lot. So, next is ang teacher. Sometimes we are called as gardeners, and then the child or the students are called as plants. So, all we have to do is to shower them, water them with love and support, yun. Attention, yun. So, that is a metaphor lang. Next is, yung mga learnings ko dito, bigyan ko kayo. Next is, we teachers should use as scaffolding and language immersion. So, you could use by language like English and other language or their native languages. Next is a classroom is like ano nga yun? It's like ano nga yun? Orchestra. Each instrument or each student or the instruments have their own music, 'di ba? So, if ma-balance mo lang yung lahat, the orchestra will produce good music. So, the classroom will produce good and safe environment and learnings. Yeah, di ba? Dami kong na-learn, guys. So, you can try this application and then you can have lots of certificates, guys, because it's really free and, that's all. Subscribe me, guys, for more videos like